The World Bank expects to lend about $2.4 billion to start or expand cash transfer programs in countries around the globe. A new World Bank report shows cash transfer programs can cut poverty, both long and short term, particularly if they are supported by better public services like health clinics and schools. In Mexico, a cash transfer program called Oportunidades has reached about 25 million people, a quarter of the population.
What does it mean for them? It is better schooling. Kids are going to school because the program conditions some of the payments that mothers are sending their kids to school, that the kids get better medical attention.
The cash is used to get kids to go to and stay in school and to encourage regular vaccinations and health checkups. The approach, known as CCTs, or Conditional Cash Transfers, helps ensure financial support is getting to the people who can best benefit from it. And it is a long-term program that can help protect the poorest from global economic crises.
For the next crisis, it's good to have a program such as the CCT in place, and that can then be used to absorb any kind of shock coming to poor families.
But World Bank experts warn that the CCT program, while successful, cannot work in isolation. In Cambodia and Mexico, for example, higher school enrollments have not been matched by higher test scores. So the CCT program must be bolstered by better schools and health services.
So in some countries we do see a reduction in infant mortality rates, but in others we don't. When it comes to education, we see in a few cases that the fact that the kids are going to school does not mean that going more to school does not mean that they're learning more.
After early successes in South Asia and Latin America, CCT programs are now operating on every continent. They are in more than 24 developing countries, as well as some developed ones, including the United States.